Latest update nga dito kay Miss Chris Aquino ayon sa kanya ay huminto daw ang kanyang paghinga nung sumailalim daw siya sa medical procedure. Pero narito na ngayon ang latest update nga kay Miss Chris Aquino pagkatapos ng kanyang operasyon.
Hi, I'm almost healthy again.
Yes.
Kasi nagtatrabaho na ako. Hindi naman ito trabaho. Pagbubukas lang ng mga regalo na
Unboxing.
Yes, I'm sure na-miss nila. Honey, you could come in.
Coming na.
Giant Bill is coming in.
And wait, there's one more I have to get.
Kasi for me, medyo... Wait, pero sinabi sa akin, kailangan daw, lift.
Mom! Not now.
Not now. Okay, mom.
Galaw-galaw.
Yes, para, kasi may mga blood clot ako dito.
Oo.
So, kailangan, on itself, matulog. Kailangan swim. 6 days ago, ito po, ang ginawa nila sa akin. Yan o. There, all the way back. That's my fourth attack na inakyat ni Dr. Nick. Sorry, not Dr. Si
Ayan.
Dr.
Now you
Nick
can
ang
open it.
nag-supervise, pero ang gumawa si Dr. Jeff Chua. And parang ano siya, very crowded yung sa dami ng doktor na nakabantay. But I'd like to thank them all from Dr. Katsi, tapos nandun si Dr. Geraldine, tapos nandun nakabantay na si Dr. Nick, tapos may anesthesiologist na hindi ako binigyan ng anesthesia. Ganun kakonti, gising po ako the whole time, naramdaman ko ng unang hiwa. Wala lang. That's life. You know, ang taas na talaga ng pain tolerance ko na kinaya ko. So that was Doc Janelle na kung hindi lang siya si Doc Janelle, super magkaaway na kami ngayon. But I love him. He loves me. Okay. Yay!
Wow, your favorite.
Ito yung ginagamit ko po. It's for babies, but feeling ko baby din ako. Yay! This is the baby wipes. As you can see, it's here. So, ni-replenish lang niya ako. This is what I use for my face. Para talagang very, very gentle and 100% cotton.
Ay, naman yung pinagdala.
Okay. It's in Shopee. Doon ko una siya na-discover because pinadala niya ako ng isang box care of Dr. Katsi. She said na ipatry daw sa akin. And then nagustuhan ko. Siyempre, nahiya naman akong sabihin na, can you give me more? No. Namili naman ako. Hindi, merong isa talaga gusto ko magpasalamat sa pamilya nila. And now I can say it. Thank you to the Farinas family na kinupkup ako for many months all the way in Ilocos. And beautiful talaga. Meron villa na reserve for me until daw gumaling ako. Maraming salamat kay Manong Rudy at sa buong pamilya niya na halos inampun na. Thank you.
Open na, Mom?
Go ahead. I can't open it.
Yeah.
There we are.
Okay.
Try.
Wait, I have to show you. Na, I told her kasi na ito yung mga good colors for me for the year. This particular blue. So, sinabi ko.
Very specific.
Yeah.
I've given that.
Okay. Okay. If you have your period or if you're like me na sometimes meron pa rin occasional bleeding. Yeah. So this is really, really very good. Kasi ito, you don't need to use na a napkin. It's all in one. And then it's also for those who are newly operated on para sinasalo na siya. Nakadalawang PET scan na po ako. At yung una, alam niyo lahat na natakot talaga ako because may nakita silang konti doon sa very, very near the colon. Oh my God, talaga. That was, I think, one of the biggest scares of my life. And it was the saddest. Talagang, first time akong nakita na gano'n daw ako kalungkot at gano'n ako ka-worry. Tapos, to top it off, that entire day, kinailangan akong painumin non-stop ng this mixture. Ginusto ko nang kalimutan ko ano yun. And basta, it was also Gatorade and honey. It was mixed with Gatorade. You remember? Or gusto mo na nag-Gatorade na?
Gatorade yata.
Yeah. And then this thing na parang... And then after that, we were allowed to eat. But that's the point. Kakauwi ko pa lang na, 86 pounds. So,
Oh.
parang wala naman akong gaano kumain. Tapos, nung papunta na, when the hardest call I had to make was when I called my sisters. Because, alam niyo lahat na colon cancer, yung primary cancer ng mom namin. But, nung nalaman it was already it was stage 4. So, sabi ko sa lahat ng, it was clear. Thank you, Lord. And then, I had to do a second one dahil they had to see naman my lungs and they had to see the rest of me because they were worried what's wrong. Bakit hindi siya nag-gain ng weight? Pangalanan ko na, ang sagot pala doon, ensure na hinaluan ng Carabao milk. Drink Carabao milk because it has more protein actually than cow's milk. At malinamnam siya. So, when I needed to gain talaga 20 pounds, yun ang ano ko. Pero nandadayo po ako, hinahaluan niya ng ice cream. So, it's a milkshake. Oo.
Brand.
In Carabao milk. Kasi nung time na yun, ang kinukuhanan was from Bib. Nueva Ecija. Ito po,
Not ready pa ba?
this is my mom's engagement ring. It's
Oh,
reserved
nice.
for Bim because ito rin yung naging engagement ring ng mommy ng daddy ko, sa ng lola ko. So,
But there's only
Heirloom.
Yes.
one girl
So,
you have
ito-
that in mind for.
wait lang. So ikaw naman ang nagsasabi.
Yeah, but
Oh,
wala na yan, lumang.
I didn't say anything. So anyway, after that, when I said, Mom, fine na lang. And then she said, yeah, sure. But make sure to buy a nice engagement ring if he ever does get engaged. Eh, he's dead na.
Oh.
Everyone knows he's
Parang
dead.
you're making the shoot sulit.
Oo, parang totoo silang lahat, di ba? Na-miss niyo ako.
Yeah.
Quiet to. And then, it's disposable. So, parang you're sure na, di ba pag
Traveling.
Yes, hindi ka sigurado, di ba? Baka magka-warts.
Yes.
Yeah, di ba?
Sa body.
Yeah, so ito na, ang ganda. And it really absorbs. And this one naman, if you're traveling, uy, ito ka mo, biyahe ka. Disposable cotton underwear. Ginagamit ko dito.
Remember, ikaw na
Tama
sa akin
na.
sa Hong Kong.
Okay.
Convenient.
Yes, pero mas maganda ito.
Mas maganda.
Ikaw mas
I will.
Yeah.
Mura City.
Ito yung para sa bag, ito yung parang ano nila, ang lambot nito para sa skin. Look ito. Ang laki. Akala mo
Ayaw
maliit
nga.
lang, pero hindi.